Hello friends, welcome to this video of Marg ERP, in which today we will discuss on the credit note of price difference sale. We create price difference credit note when you have to decrease the price in any bill, means you want to lesser the price. For example, you have sold a product to your customer for rupees 110, which was of rupees 100. So in order to make it for rupees 100 from rupees 110, we will generate a price difference credit note of rupees 10 for that customer or party. Now let's see its process in the software. Suppose this is the sale bill in which the rate of the item was rupees 70, but it was sold out for rupees 80. So to adjust the difference in the price, we will go to transactions menu, then to price difference sale, and then click on credit note. Then this window of sale price difference credit note entry will open. You will press enter key and select the ledger of that party or customer from the ledgers window for which we are generating the credit note. Then again press enter key on the entry window. So a small window of bill details will open, in which from the drop down of return of bills field, you will choose the method for returning the bill. Like if you want to generate a single price difference credit note of the items of multiple bills, then you will set this return of bills field to multiple. Or suppose if you want that the credit note of the multiple bills should be generated separately, then in that case you will set as separate to return of bills field. And in bill by bill, the software will ask you that of which bill you want to generate the credit note. So suppose we take bill by bill in return of bills and press enter. Then is credit note of bill, means the software is asking you about the bill number. So you will mention that bill number here of which you are creating the price difference credit note. And you will see below that the software is showing the bill number, bill date and bill amount of that bill which you have generated currently, means the last bill which you have created. So if you want to adjust the current bill, means last generated bill, then you will mention that bill number here. Otherwise you can enter that bill number here which you want to take as per your requirement. So as you will press enter after mentioning the bill number, then the software will auto pick the bill date on the basis of the bill number. Again, as you will press enter, the software will auto pick the bill amount. Now in the reason field, you will mention the reason which is mandatory to be filled. After mentioning the reason, we will press enter, and as you will press enter, the cursor will switch to the calculation type field, from which you will choose the calculation type according to your requirement, or keep it as default, means keep it as it is. So for now, we will keep calculation type field as it is and press enter. As you will press enter, the item or items in the selected bill will get displayed. You will select the item by pressing spacebar key. So the item will get loaded in the bill. Now we will switch to the loaded item, means you will select the item and keep pressing enter key. So a pop-up window of the old rate and new rate will open. Now you will mention that amount in the new rate in order to balance the old rate amount. As there was a difference of rupees 10, so we will mention 10 rupees less from the old rate. Like as the old rate is 80, then we will mention rupees 70 in the new rate. And by pressing end key or tab key, we will save the bill. Then a bill adjustment window will open. You will press enter, and then from the pending invoice window, you will press spacebar key on that bill against which the credit note entry of the sale difference is being generated. So friends, in this way we can generate the entry of sale price difference credit note and can adjust the difference in the price with the actual amount. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Marg Tutorial YouTube channel and press this bell icon so you can stay updated with latest videos.